But people didn't understand. I didn't hate you. You just had a way about you. All right. Thank you, Ms. Pallera. Mr. Medi, anything you want to say to Case People versus Tyler Medi?
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Kearney on behalf of Mr. Medi.
He's not in Zoom right now, Your Honor, but he was.
I did speak with Mr. Medi a few days ago. He advised me he had a scheduled meeting with his 15th District Court probation officer.
Hold on.
This isn't your typical courtroom showdown. Today, we are witnessing redemption in real time. People versus Tyler Medi starts like any other probation hearing, but what unfolds next is a rare, emotional twist even the judge didn't expect.
Yep.
Oh.
I think he might be here. Mr. Medi? You can unmute and just tell us your name.
I'm sorry, Tyler Medi.
Thank you, sir. All right, go ahead.
Okay, well, I'm glad he's here.
Yeah, I had faith. I don't know about you, Karen. Go ahead.
So we did review the pre-sentence report. We don't have any material changes, additions, or deletions. We do ask that you adopt probation's recommendation. As I mentioned, Mr. Medi is going to be supervised already in another, maybe multiple courts.
All right.
And Teresa Pallera on behalf of probation. Judge, I would just like you to be aware, you know Mr. Medi. He's been before this court multiple times. Mr. Medi has had a history, and struggled with his addiction. I did reach out and speak with his PO where he's on probation at 14B. He has been doing excellent.
Really?
He's gone to inpatient treatment. He completed that successfully. He went to and stayed in transitional housing for a long period of time. He has maintained employment. So Mr. Medi, I really think needs a hand of applause really for the length that he has been stayed clean, and given his horrendous past of the struggles that he's had with his addiction. He's doing really great.
This is powerful. The probation officer just praised Tyler's recovery journey, calling it excellent. In courtroom terms, that's gold. But here's the real question. Will the judge believe his progress is genuine, or just temporary?
All right. Thank you, Ms. Pallera. Mr. Medi, anything you want to say to me?
Yes, there is. I just wanted to say 11/17 of 2024, you sent me to a treatment program. And honestly, I just want to thank you for that because my life has been a disaster before that. And I've never thought that I'd be where I'm at today. I'm truly grateful for everything that's going on. It's like my first time, coming forward and actually getting a positive report about me. So it's truly a change to my life. I got all of my family back in my life. Everybody is so proud, and I never thought that I'd be here. And man, I just want to say thank you. In all honesty, that's pretty much it. Sums it up.
I'll say you're welcome, but I want to thank you because it gives me faith that if you can sort of trust an individual, go with what in my gut was telling me you're a good person that just needed a new start. Now I might have to pound it into you in some way, but if I can get you there, that you do the rest of the work. And so for that, I have to thank you because it gives me the faith and the courage to do what I do. So
I appreciate
it. But other than that, things are going well for you, huh?
Absolutely.
It is the other thing, Mr. Medi, it is just to hear you talk the way that you're talking is amazing to me because you always haven't had these we always haven't had these cordial conversations. Right?
I was telling my girlfriend about
What'd you say?
I was actually just telling my girlfriend about that.
Yeah, yeah. But people didn't understand. I didn't hate you. You just had a way about you.
Man, I understand 100%.
I'll tell you what. I like this Tyler better than the other one. Okay.
About it is, my mom hates the fact that I have purple hair, but that's the only thing she's mad about, so I'm cool with that.
I was wondering about that, and I was going to say, I need to do something like that.
I think it looked good on you, Simpson. Your Honor.
Yeah, well, I got to get hair first, but we'll figure it out. All right.
Okay.
It's a It's a sentence of the court. You have to pay $555 fines and court costs, $487 restitution to Lowe's payable through the court.
Okay.
How are you going to do that, young man?
I wanted to know if it was okay with you. So right now I am on probation for 14B payment plan. That should be over next month. If I could pay two payments after next month, I'll pay half in November and half in December. Does that work?
That'll work for me. So I'll just do it this way. You're going to pay one half. What day in November?
Can we make it toward the end? I think my last payment is November 15th. So if I could pay half November 30th, that would be great.
Why don't we do it this way? I'm going to have a little bit of faith in you. Let's do the first half. I'll make due December 19th,
Okay.
2025. And then the second half, I'll make due January 16th.
Okay, that works perfectly.
And Mr. Medi, please remember that the restitution has to be paid in cash,
I can't pay it online.
not the restitution.
Not the restitution.
Okay. So I need to come into the office.
Yeah, you'll need to come in to get that paid. So if you're going to pay half, what I'd suggest doing is paying the 487, which is the restitution, in cash, and get that to the court in person before the 19th of December. Okay. And then the other part you can pay online.
Can we do this then if it's not a problem? I live 2 hours away right now. So can I put the first half up and then pay in full on January 16th? That way I have one more trip to Ann Arbor.
Do what now?
I think he's asking to pay the restitution for the first half? Or
No.
Pay the online, the first half.
No, what I'm asking is I live 2 hours away. So I'm trying to see if I could just save the first half. Can I just pay in full on January 16th is what I'm asking.
That's a long time.
Okay.
The problem with that is what I really want you to do. I'm concerned about the court costs, but I need to get the restitution paid.
How much is the restitution?
It's 487.
Okay. I will pay that on December 19th. I will pay that in full on December 19th.
Okay. Let's get that. That's why I'll give you the additional time instead of making it due in November. I'll give you the additional time, but I got to get that paid. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. And then I'll order 365 days in jail. Credit for the balance is suspended. Okay?
Thank you.
A clean slate, a second chance, and no jail time. People versus Tyler Medi ends not with punishment, but with faith. What's your take on this ruling? Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more dramatic courtroom moments.